Now I will explain you about the another two linking verbs. One is was, another is where. Was and where are linking verb. Was and where shows the action happened in the past. Was used for singular subject and where used for plural subject. Now I will explain you where we use was and where. Look at the board. He was going to the park yesterday. He is used for a boy and male. He is pronoun. He is subject in this sentence. So he was. We use was because the subject is singular. Subject is one. The boy is one. We use he for a boy. So we use was for a he. He is subject. We use was for a singular pronoun. So he was. What the was? Give us the information. He was going to the park yesterday. The boy was going to the park yesterday. Yesterday. Day before. Day before. Yesterday. The boy was going to the park yesterday. So we have to use was because the boy was going yesterday. Right? Means Ram and Shyam both are friends. Ram and Shyam both are friends. Ram asked his mother, "Can I go to the park today?" Mother replied, "Yes, dear son, you can. You can go to the park. But you have to go with your friend Shyam." Ram replied to his mom and said, "Mother, Shyam is not coming." Mother replied, "Why?" Ram said, "Shyam was going to the park yesterday, so he is not coming with me to the park today. Understand? Shyam already went from garden, from playground, so he did not want to go. So Ram and Shyam, his friend, but Shyam is not coming. He already go to the park yesterday, right? So he was going to the park yesterday. Next, we were happy that they came, right? So we use for a plural pronoun. It is a plural pronoun. We use for a many. We use for a many people, right? So we is a pronoun. It is a plural. So we have to use where. Where used for a plural subject. So this is the we. We were. We were very happy. Why? Because our guests, my friends, they came that day. We are very happy that they came. Right? We were very happy when our guest came. Came shows the past. Right? Come shows present. He come. So friends come. So it's present tense. Came used for a past tense. So came shows a past tense. Also we have to use here where, because we happy that they came, right? That they means the any friends, guests. We have to use they for a many. Right? They came. So the flight was late. Flight means aeroplane, right? Here is a flight means one flight. So it is a singular noun. The flight was late. When I asked my friend, why are you so late? He said, because my flight was late. So I came late. The flight was late. Singular pronoun, singular noun. So I have to use was. Here is no flights. Here is a flight. He came with this flight. So flight used for a one, and it is a singular noun. We have to use was when here is a singular noun. So was. The flight was late. Her clothes were dirty. Now here, her used for a girl and female. Her used for a singular, one girl or one female. So her is singular pronoun and her is the pronoun. But in this sentence, here is the clause. Clause means many clothes. Here are cloths. Use es here with this cloth. Cloths. Many cloths means it's a plural noun. It's a plural noun. So which verb, which linking verb we have to use here? Where. So I write here where. Okay. Her clothes were dirty. Whatever the girl is here, her clothes were dirty. Tom was present in school today. Tom was present in school today. When the teacher entered the class and asked the student, where is the Tom? So another student replied, teacher, Tom was present at school today. So was, right? Was we use for a singular noun. Tom is a boy. We use the name the Tom for a boy. So means Tom is a singular noun. We have to use was for a singular noun. So I wrote here was after the Tom. Tom was present in school today. Was shows that, was explain that, this was inform that the Tom already present in class today, in school today. Okay. So next is those girls were making a noise. Those girls were making a noise. When the teacher entered the class, she was very angry. She asked those another girls, why are you shouting? Why are you chatting? So those girls said, no ma'am, we were not shouting and chatting. Those girls, those another girls were making a noise. We were not. Those girls. So means those used for many. Girls means many. Plural noun. It's a plural noun. Girls, not a girl. Here is not a girl. Here is a, we use a S for a girls. Means the many girls are there in the class. So girls is the plural nouns. We use were because of the plural noun. So we use were here. So those girls were making a noise. Those girls were making a noise. So the baby was sleeping in a cot. The baby was sleeping in a cot. elder son asked to the man, "Where is the baby? Where is the baby playing?" So mother said to her elder son, "Shh, baby was sleeping in cot. Do not make a noise. Baby was sleeping in a cot." Means already baby was sleeping, right? So here is the baby. We call for a one infant, one baby, one small infant we call a baby. So here is the one. So baby was. We use here was because here is the singular noun. It's a common noun, singular noun. We use here a was because of the singular noun. The was shows that baby already sleeping. The baby was sleeping in a cot. Hope you understand where we use was and where we use where.